Another tool in a portrait is Portrait Bokeh. It's very simple. It's automatically with the AI tool. It's automatically detected the people, masking them, bring them in a focus, and defocus everything else and make a blur background. Just you have to increase the amount and waiting the software to working and masking the people. And as you can see, it's automatically masking, and it defocus automatically background, not displays. Interesting, because with the AI, this part is in a focus, and we can see the focus line here. And other part that has in the depth in the focus, it's automatically awesome. So you can increase the amount, and we have more blur this part. If you're going most over the image, this is in focus. It means this red area is in a focus. And if you want to, for example, defocus the head, or if you want to, for example, this part at the focus, you can just brush this part to focus and deblurring, or defocus again. You can delete this red area and defocusing that areas. Nice. As you can see, we have these people, and this tool automatically detected the depths. Interesting. So the ZenBrush, if you want to add something in the focus, or if you want to add something to the blur with the brush size, soften, and strength, you can do it. For a background, it automatically detected the background. You can make the background brighten or darken. You can highlight the glow. It's very simple. You can warmth your background. Or here you can simply correct the depths. Yeah. You can change the how much this depth is going. Its depth is going from here or near the camera. As you can see, the depth line are going near and near to the camera. With a double click, you can double click on this part, you can bring it there. And as you can see, depth line comes from here. It's automatically detected the depths. If you have an edge problem, you can make it edge correction. Yeah, it's deleting some errors and some hair from here. Yeah, with playing with the edge correction, you can correcting your edge. Nice. So Portrait Bokeh, it's automatically blurring the background for you, and it recognized the depths. Interesting. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.